Welcome to our next apartment for rent. It's apartment number 615. It is our Tuxedo one-bedroom classic unit. As you walk in, you see the coat closet, and it's open to an open living room with plenty of lighting. This is the one-bedroom Tuxedo model. Do you remember what we talked about in our other one-bedroom Drayton unit? All one bedrooms come with an extra room called the den. This one has French doors opening into the den. And like I said, we can use this as a separate bedroom too, with a closet coming back out through the living room. We have the large patio. And since this is a walk-in level, this is one of our front-facing apartments facing to the parking lot. Plenty of parking. You see the dining room right here. And the open kitchen. This is one of our classic units with the white cabinets and white appliances. And a pantry. With a large bar and plenty of cabinet space below. Going on to the master bedroom, we have the hall linen closet, the laundry room with washer and dryer connections and utility closet, and the large bathroom that can be entered through the hallway. It has the garden tub, plenty of counter space, and it does have the private entrance into the master bedroom. See all that lighting there? Large master with large walk-in closet. There's the entrance to the other bathroom. To the bathroom. And on back to your den from the hall view. And the open living room. Thank you.